India's most scenic mountain roads, snow-covered passes, majestic waterfalls, and dreamlike valleys. What if you could experience them all in a single journey? Yes, you heard that right. Imagine towering mountains wrapped in clouds, the mighty Beas River flowing alongside your path, waterfalls cascading down from hundreds of feet above, and snow-capped peaks stretching as far as the eye can see. The timeless charm of Shimla, the magical valleys of Kasol, the vibrant yet mesmerizing mountain vibes of Manali, the breathtaking landscapes of Sissu, and the unforgettable experience of Rohtang Pass. Every turn reveals a new view. Every moment creates a new memory. One moment you are sipping hot cup of coffee, cozy mountain cafe. The next you are driving through winding Himalayan roads above the clouds, capturing some of the most beautiful moments of your life. This isn't just a tour, it's a journey to rediscover the mountains. Himachal Pradesh Group Tour, 14th August and 21st October, limited seats only. So, here is the only question. Will you just watch this video or will you become a part of the story?